ladder we need 3 ICs. First IC is 7486, which is of XOR gate. Next IC is 7408, which is AND gate. And next IC is 7432, which is OR gate. So first the basic connection for IC is 7 should be connected to ground and 14th pin to the VCC. To ground, 14 to VCC. So this is the basic connection for all the ICs. Okay. So these are the inputs and these are the outputs. So XOR gate input should be connected to the first pin and subsequently to the second pin. Of the XOR gate should be connected to the fourth pin, as we require 2 XOR gates in this full ladder. So next, the third input, which is C in, should be connected to the fifth pin of this IC. So the sixth pin of the XOR gate will be the sum. The third pin of the XOR gate should be connected to the second pin of the AND gate, and fifth pin of this IC should be connected to the first pin of the AND gate. First pin to fifth, second to fourth. And same way, the first pin of the IC 7486 should be connected to the fourth pin of the AND gate. And second pin to the fourth pin. Third pin of the AND gate should be connected to the first pin of the OR gate. And sixth pin of the AND gate should be connected to the second pin of the OR gate. The third pin of the OR gate will be the output for the carry. So now we have to check the truth table. A is 0, B is 0 and C is 0. The output is 0. The next one, A is 0, B is 0 and C is 1. The sum is 1 and carry is 0. So when next A is 0, B is 1 and C is 1. The sum is 0 and carry is 1. Next, when A is 1, B is 0 and C is 0, the sum is 1 and carry is 0. When A is 1, B is 0 and C is 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. When A is 1, B is 1 and C is 0, sum is 0 and carry is 1. When all three inputs A, B, C are 1, the sum will be 1 and carry will also be 1.